Today I'm going to show you how to add an account in Xero, and it's really quite simple, and this pops up quite frequently. So you, from anywhere in Xero, you click on Settings, you click on Chart of Accounts. This brings up a new screen. You click Add Account. We'll have to now select an account type, whether it's an asset, a liability, an expense, or revenue. If you're not sure what type of account type you need to select, just check with us, no problem at all. Otherwise, let's just assume here that we want to add an expense category that's not already in our chart of accounts. Now we're going to have to select an expense code or an account code. So in this case, you'll want to scroll down and determine which account code is not selected. If you've set up your chart of accounts with us, the expense codes typically range in the 5,000s. So let's say 5,100 is not selected. We'll choose that in this expense code. We'll choose a name for the account. So let's say we want to add an account for SaaS products, software as a service subscriptions. We could add a description here. Let's say software as a service subscriptions. We'll have to choose the default tax setting or default tax code that applies to this expense account. Let's say for the most part SaaS products are coming from outside Canada. There's no sales tax that applies on this, so we're going to choose tax exempt, and this is going to populate every time we select the SaaS expense account. Show on dashboard. That's important. If this is an important account for you, we could select this option, and that will show on your dashboard every time you log into Xero. If you have staff that are submitting expense claims through Xero, and SaaS is the type of expense that they typically claim, we're going to want to enable this option. Enable payments to this account we're going to disable for the time being, and we'll advise you when it's time to turn that on. And that's pretty much it. Click Save, and your new account has now been added.